Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, you will learn how to customize the Angular In-place Editor component. Look at this example. Instead of the typical icon buttons, the editor displays save and cancel buttons, and the editable content stands out boldly in red with a snazzy dotted green underline. Now let's dive in and see how to make these cool tweaks in an existing Angular app where the editor is configured to use a default text box. If you're curious about the basic features of the In-place Editor, watch the video linked in the card above or find it in the description below. Now I will run this example by using the ng-serve command. Look here, it displays a text box with the default input value, Andrew. Let's make a note of this. While editing, the icon buttons are visible. Suppose I want to add save and cancel buttons instead of icon buttons. Within the app component TS file, define two objects, namely editor save button and editor cancel button. Inside these objects, let me add content property and set save for this save button and cancel for the cancel button. I also want to display the buttons with a transparent background, so I add the property CSS class and assign the outline class to it. Now I assign these objects to the save button and cancel button properties. Look now. When editing the value, the save and cancel buttons are displayed with a transparent background. Next, I will show you how to change the editor pop-up position. By default, the pop-up is displayed at the top center position, and it auto-adjusts to prevent collisions with the viewport. There are 12 options to position the pop-up, such as top left, right center, bottom left, and more. Now I am going to display the pop-up at the bottom right. So let me add an object called popup settings with the model property and set the position to bottom right. Then assign this object to the popup settings property. See now. When I click the edit icon, the pop-up opens at the bottom right. By default, the editor will open on a single click, but you can also open it on a double click or when the edit icon is clicked. To open the editor on double click action, I define a variable called editable_on with the value double click. Then assign this variable to the editable_on property. See now, the editor will open on double click. If you want to edit the input value using the edit icon, set the editable_on variable to edit icon click. Look at here. Now I can edit by clicking the edit icon in the text box. Next, I will show you how to disable buttons in the editor component. To do that, I define a Boolean variable showButtons and set it to false. Then I assign this variable to the showButtons property. Now, see, the buttons are hidden when the value is edited. The changed input value will be updated in the editor when you click outside the component. Next, I will show you how to customize the editor input value and add dotted lines below it. To customize the editor input value, I open the style.css file and include the necessary classes like In-place Editor, Editable Value Wrapper, and the Editable Value. Then I add the CSS styles like border bottom, color, and font size to it. Now you can notice the input value is red and the dotted lines are green. Here, the edit mode is currently enabled in the TextBox component. To disable it, just set the disabled property to false. See here, when I try to edit the input value, it is not possible. So that's all about the customization options in the In-place Editor component. In this video, you saw how to customize the Angular In-place Editor component by setting different colors for input values and dotted lines below the value. You also saw how to add save and cancel buttons, hide them, and disable the editing mode. If you would like to see the working example of the editor component used in this video, you can download it from the GitHub link in the description below. I have also provided a link where you can see if you qualify for a free license key to use our Angular products through our community license. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.